Joining us today by phone is Ryan Detrick. He is Senior Market Strategist with LPL Financial. Ryan, thank you for joining us.
I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you, Morgan.
So you have brought in a chart today that shows us an important theme for the market in 2018. Walk us through why global earnings growth will be so critical in the new year.
Sure. Well, Morgan, when you think about it, there's momentum, there's valuations, there's market sentiment, but what really moves markets over long term? Well, it's earnings. And fortunately, we've seen a resurgence in global earnings here in 2017 with the S&P 500, emerging markets, and developed markets all positive for the first time since 2010. But okay, that's the past. What about the future? Again, fortunately, we're looking at all three of them being positive again next year, and next year as in 2018. And when you consider the fact that we just had a really strong bull market with very, very little volatility, there could be a lot more volatility next year, but with that positive overall earnings, overall the entire globe, that's another positive for overall investors as we look into 2018.
Yeah, and this is the first time ever the S&P will be up all 12 months, total return basis in 2017. It's the first time we've seen that. Are we at peak earnings?
Well, we don't think so. First off, that's true. As long as we don't jinx it for tomorrow, we are going to see all 12 months positive for the first time ever on a total return basis. But when we look at earnings, let's take a little look under the hood here. Look at what's happening with copper. Copper's up 16 days in a row, breaking out to four-year highs. We've done studies. We've seen as those industrial metals improve, and they did very poorly for years. Finally, we're seeing industrial metals improve. That's one little subtle thing to us that says the overall global economy is really strengthening, and overall earnings, we think, U.S. earnings here can hit, potentially double-digit growth, and we're looking for even more growth out of emerging markets next year. We don't think we're at a peak. We think we could still have some growth next year.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.